If you're out there and you're going to commit a crime against somebody in this community, I'm going to do everything I can to put you away as long as I possibly can.
That was Forsyth County's district attorney talking about crimes that are concerning, disturbing, and random. Within the last 3 weeks, we have reported 3 different attacks on women by people police say the victims didn't even know. 2 of them were sexual in nature. Well, here's the timeline of these events. Winston-Salem police arrested a man at the end of August after they say he assaulted a woman while she was jogging on Research Parkway, just southeast of downtown. After his arrest, court records later showed the suspect had plans to rape his victim.
And then just this past Sunday afternoon, Winston-Salem police say a man walked into a store on Renolda Road and sexually assaulted a woman. He was arrested a short time later.
And on Sunday in Mebane, police say a man threatened a grandmother with a gun and stole her car at the Tanger Outlets as she waited to pick up a relative. That victim told us she hasn't been able to sleep since it happened. The Forsyth County District Attorney, where 2 of these crimes happened, says these are crimes of opportunity and he's pushing to do more to fight them. Fox 8's Elijah Skipper sat down with him today to hear what he thinks needs to be done.
Women need to be protected.
For Forsyth County District Attorney Jim O'Neill, protecting women who experience violence sometimes takes a personal tone.
I'm married to a beautiful woman. I've got 2 beautiful daughters, and you know, I would want someone, God forbid anything happened to them, I would want someone in my corner fighting like a dog for me.
Just 2 weeks ago, District Attorney O'Neill went before a Superior Court judge and successfully increased the bond of a man accused of assaulting a woman while she was jogging along Research Parkway. The accused, Dylan Smyer's bond was raised from $250,000 to $1 million. O'Neill says his goal in that case was clear.
To feel free, to be able to walk around the city, to be able to go to their businesses, to be in their homes. When I look at some of the crimes that are committed, I think what criminals are looking for, they're looking for opportunities.
Just this past Sunday afternoon, another crime of opportunity in his county. Winston-Salem police say a man walked into a store on Renolda Road and raped a 77-year-old woman. He was arrested a short time later. O'Neill says he feels that his office feels well prepared to make sure justice is served.
They have a zealous advocate in court fighting on their behalf, and that's what I've done my whole life. That's what's in my blood. That's what's in my DNA, and we're going to fight like dogs for you. When you come into this courthouse, you're going to know that you've got a Rottweiler in your corner.
While District Attorney O'Neill can't talk about case specifics, he does want to make sure the community knows these are incidents he does not take lightly.
Law enforcement will work day and night to bring you to justice, and then we will take over as the prosecutors in the case, and we will try to get you every possible day in jail that we can if you go out and harm one of our citizens.
In Forsyth County, Elijah Skipper, Fox 8 News.